Okay, it's the 2014 Cascadia with 340,000 miles. Great condition. Look at that. It's complete with a APU. Beautiful tread. Aluminum wheels. Sliding air fifth wheel. Eaton Fuller 10-speed transmission. 2 100-gallon aluminum tanks. Condo double bunk. Let's take a look at the interior. Wow, really well maintained. Someone cared about their truck here. It's almost like it's brand new. Okay, double bunk, plenty of storage. Got the emergency hatch windows on both sides. Room for refrigerator, TV. Beautiful. 342,789 on the mileage. Very nice. Let's take a look at the engine. It's an ISX 15. 450.